Hierarchical dimensions in SmartView. When working with HFM and SmartView, we need to consider that most of the dimensions have members within them which are organized into a hierarchical structure. The natural behavior of these hierarchical structures is that data will aggregate. So when we look at the chart of accounts, we can only input data at the base level, and this is at the lowest level. Once we submit data, which we can do in SmartView, it will automatically aggregate to the parent members. The entity dimension is also hierarchical. However, this is only populated or aggregated at the parent level when we run a consolidation. And again, we can do that in SmartView when we're looking at ad hoc analysis. When we're selecting members in SmartView, we can manipulate the fact that these dimensions are structured hierarchically. We can use member lists, such as children, descendants, base, which allow us to choose subsets of these hierarchical dimensions. For example, if we selected gross profit as part of a member selection and chose to see in the filters the children, it would show us total net sales and cost of sales. If we chose gross profit and selected descendants, it would show me all members below gross profit. Another common member list to choose is base, which will show you the base level or input level members. Data aggregates within the dimensions, but do remember that the data aggregates dependent on the account attributes. So for example, in the profit and loss we have revenue accounts and we have expense accounts. And an expense account will decrease as it rolls up. And we can see that the total net sales here of 500, which is essentially 900 less the cost of sales, 400. So data does aggregate. Whether it increases or decreases is generally due to the sign convention of the data and the attributes of the accounts, being revenue, expense, or down in the balance sheet you've got assets and liabilities.